Hey there, I'm Josh. I've been completely immersed in YouTube's crypto mining scene lately, and last night I burned through maybe 57 videos ranging from absolute beginner guides to professional insider strategies about mining crypto without owning physical mining equipment. And what's genuinely alarming is this recurring pattern I can't unsee, like websites with photoshopped profit screenshots, operations using clearly purchased fake reviews, and all that stuff. I'm watching all this thinking, why are these content creators running scams? I genuinely got pessimistic about whether trustworthy cloud mining even exists because the entire sector seems poisoned with fraud. But I stumbled onto Arcmine maybe 2 months ago, and honestly, it's still the only platform I genuinely recommend without hesitation. Like, I've tested it thoroughly, withdrawn successfully multiple times, and verified its legitimacy extensively. Okay, I'm on the site right now. First, I'm clicking Start Mining. Good. I'm going with Bitcoin here, but the platform actually supports mining for basically every major cryptocurrency: Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, but Bitcoin's my choice today. So hitting continue. Okay, so here I need to input my wallet address. So switching to my wallet, copying ETH address, back to the app, and pasting it right here. Good. Now I'm setting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these sliders control how much processing power gets dedicated to my mining and how fast it runs. But here's the thing, this directly impacts my fees. So if I push these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the costs increase too. Cool, this makes sense. So next I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I want to mine, the dollar value, and the estimated time to process. Great, so now I'm launching the mining operation. Perfect, it's running. All the metrics are visible here. So let's let this run for a few minutes. I'll speed this up for you. And good, excellent. I've successfully mined this amount of Bitcoin. Now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important thing, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing withdrawals. Everything's broken down here. So here's the energy used, here are the server clusters that handled it, plus network transaction fees. And crucial detail, the minimum infrastructure fee for using their resources is always $30. So factor that in. Total transparency. So I'm copying this address, just one moment. Okay, now back to Arcmine. Clicking I've sent the payment and just waiting for processing. So while the transaction's confirming and I'm waiting for the coins to arrive, let me tell you what I've learned from 2 months of use. Start small and verify everything yourself. Don't trust anyone. Run small contract first. Watch how it unfolds. Confirm withdrawal hits your wallet. Examine the fees closely. Understand what covers infrastructure versus network costs. And keep realistic expectations. Sometimes just buying Bitcoin directly makes more sense. But what keeps me here is consistency. Multiple contracts, everyone delivered as promised. Zero hidden fees, zero withdrawal issues, zero ghosting.
Also, here's practical advice for beginners. Treat cloud mining as maybe 15-20% of your crypto strategy, not everything. Diversify across different approaches. Also, timing matters. If Bitcoin crashes and you believe in recovery, mining lets you accumulate at lower effective prices. If Bitcoin just rallied hard, maybe pause and take profits and use a smart withdrawal strategy. I do 65% to cold storage, 35% reinvested. Find what works for your risk tolerance. Also, one more thing, spread crypto across multiple wallets for security. Don't put everything in one place. And stay humble, keep learning. Crypto evolves constantly. So links in the pinned comment and description. Start small, verify independently, and share your experience in the comments after testing it. See ya.